New York Jewish Week via JTA Mark Vogel, who lives in the Bronx borough of New York City and runs a website about Jewish and kosher travel, spoke for many of his neighbors when he posted a video on Instagram of his sukkah being pounded by rain, standing forlornly in the middle of his flooded backyard. "I built a sukkah," he wrote in a caption. "I should have built an ark." Vogel, and many of the other millions of Jews in the tri-state area, have been coping with the reality that Sukkot, the most outdoor holiday on the Jewish calendar, has coincided with heavy rains that have flooded highways, shut down subway lines, and triggered a state of emergency in and around New York City. More than 8 inches of rain had fallen at John F. Kennedy Airport by Friday afternoon, and more is expected into Saturday.